Act 2 of A Midsummer Night's Dream takes place in the enchanted forest outside Athens. It is a pivotal act that further develops the themes of love, mischief, and transformation. The act opens with the introduction of the fairy king Oberon and his queen, Titania. Their relationship is strained due to a disagreement over a young Indian boy whom Titania has taken under her care. Oberon is determined to acquire the boy and enlists the help of his mischievous servant, Puck, to assist him. Meanwhile, a group of amateur actors known as the Mechanicals enters the forest to rehearse their play, the most lamentable comedy and most cruel death of Pyramus and Thisbe, which they plan to perform at Theseus and Hippolyta's wedding. The leader of the Mechanicals, Peter Quince, assigns each member their role and provides instructions for the rehearsal. In the forest, two pairs of young lovers also find themselves entangled in a web of love and confusion. Hermia loves Lysander, but her father insists that she marry Demetrius. However, Demetrius is pursued by Helena, who is desperately in love with him. As the lovers wander through the forest, their emotions and relationships become even more entangled. Puck, following Oberon's instructions, uses a love potion on both Lysander and Demetrius, intending to make them fall in love with Helena. However, Puck mistakenly applies the potion to Lysander and then mistakenly applies it to Demetrius as well, causing both men to fall in love with Helena instead of Hermia. The confused and love-struck Lysander and Demetrius relentlessly pursue Helena, who believes they are mocking her. Hermia becomes distraught and accuses Helena of stealing her beloved Lysander. The situation escalates as the four lovers engage in arguments and confrontations, fueled by the magic-induced misunderstandings. Meanwhile, Oberon observes the chaos caused by Puck's mistakes and realizes the unintended consequences of his plan. He orders Puck to correct the errors and use the antidote to fix the lovers' affections. Puck carries out the task, but not without further mischief and confusion. In the end, Puck applies the antidote to Lysander's eyes, restoring his love for Hermia. Demetrius, too, receives the antidote, which redirects his affections back to Helena. The lovers awaken from their slumber and find themselves in a state of reconciliation, now with the correct partners. Act 2 of A Midsummer Night's Dream showcases the whimsical and transformative nature of love and highlights the theme of mistaken identity. It sets the stage for the complications and resolutions that unfold in the subsequent acts, as the characters navigate the enchanting and unpredictable world of the forest. Join me in the next episode, where we shall delve deeper into the heart of Shakespeare's masterpiece, unraveling its themes, exploring its magical elements. Please subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me.